Hey you guys, welcome back to another video and welcome back to part 2 where we're doing the gel design. Oh yeah, what do you think of that? What is it? More?
Yeah.
Got one on that side. Nice, let's see nails. Do you want to put them back?
No.
What do you mean no? Mine.
Oh, more.
You want more?
Oh, no.
Nice. Oh my gosh, you guys, seriously, I just had to share that because it was the absolute cutest. But anyway, let's jump into the design. I decided to use this stained glass gel polish because I wanted to create the torty effect as like a rainbow stained glass effect, even though I don't have clear tips on. I know, don't even ask. But it was just an idea that sprung to mind, and after chatting with Babes, he was like, you know, it would look really cool. So I decided to try and execute it, and honestly I think it turned out really cute and quite fun. If I was to do it again, I would definitely add either some glitter or some gold leaf foil because I just feel like it would give it that extra pop that it's missing. But honestly, this was the most simple set or design to create, and the amount of like people that noticed my nails and the amount of compliments I got was unbelievable. I have spent hours on nails and nobody's even made a mutter. These did not take me too long at all, and honestly, like I said, everyone absolutely was obsessed with them. So yeah, I wanted to share how I created this look, and as you can see, I've already got a base of each stained glass colour that I wanted, cured it in the light, and then I've come in with the blooming gel and I've just applied a thin layer over each nail, and I'm adding in my black gel polish. I started off adding it with a dotting tool, but I found I needed a little bit more product to help it bloom. I think that is the key to having a good blooming gel design. You've got to apply enough of that colour that you want to bloom so that it can like spread. So yeah, I just went and started using the polish brush instead of a dotting tool because I was getting fed up picking up little bits, you know what I'm saying. I allowed it to bloom for a bit, and then I went ahead and cured that for the full 60 seconds in my lamp. Once I'd done that, it's time to come in with another thin layer of the glass gel, and this is what's going to build up that tortoise effect. However, I'm not gonna lie, my little girl thought that they were cheetah nails. I thought that they were a bit more like a poisonous like frog nail design when I'd finished. Whatever the weather, it looked banging, it looked bomb, and to be honest, would definitely do it again. But like I said, I'd add a little bit of something metallic in there. So of course, after I'd applied the second coat of stained glass polish, I cured that in the light for another 60 seconds, and then I'm coming in with another layer of a blooming gel and adding more black gel paint. So you want to add the next layer of the black gel paint like to the side of the other one, so you get the layered up effect. That's what's going to give it the best like looking torty results. I then did come in with my dotting tool just to add some little pieces between the larger pieces, and that is how the nails looked here. Once I've done that, I'm curing it in the light, and then I can come in with my top coat. I'm top coating everything with the Nail Mate Super Gloss. I finished applying the top coat and then cured that in the light, added my Cuticle Oil, and obviously Lottie wanted to share her little nails with us. Honestly, she was acting like such a diva with those on. She loved it, like so cute, like the pinky was out and everything. Anyway, this is the final look. Really love how it turned out. Just wanted to show you in some different lights. So I did run downstairs as well. The sun was going down, it was beautiful, and it looks so cute. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. Hopefully I'll see you in my next one, and as always, please remember that you are bomb.com, lit as fuck, and don't ever let anybody tell you any different because you've got this, and I love you. Mwah. Bye.